Alvin po. We are already here sa ICC kasama yung mga handful of people na. I just arrived actually. So yung iba meron silang ano ba to? Meron ng Filipinos dito na nag-aantay kay Tatay Digong. Yung iba talaga, yan na.
Ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, ano yung message mo sa kanya at lang sa Pilipinas?
So, yun. Live lang natin guys na para naman malaman natin kung ano. No. Yes ma'am, amping lang mi diri ma'am. Kanang peaceful lang gid siya kay murag expect na sa mga tao na kuan. Lagi mga Filipinos na moan diri it's because moabot gid siya today. So it's really difficult. Actually, it's very difficult para sa akin personally. So I was not able to sleep very well or didn't really have sleep at all. So handful of Filipinos, merong mga reporters, there are police also. We received specific instructions na bawal po tayong pumasok doon sa loob. Dito lang tayo sa
Of Duterte from Belgium and Holland. Duterte will arrive in Den Haag around noon. Today around noon. Let's all go to Den Haag. Let's all go to Den Haag now. Let's go.
Hello mga kabayan, we are putting our signatures here for President Trump to petition and release our very good President Rodrigo former President Rodrigo Duterte.
Yeah, so we are
Because
affixing our
we
signatures.
Because we're against ICC, the Philippines sovereignty is not with the ICC. So we are signing here, Senator Trump. President Trump.
Ito na.
President Trump, I hope you will hear us to release our president from this bad situation.
Amen.